Okay, so the class of today is about what should we do, okay? ¿Qué debemos nosotros hacer? Today we're going to see this model, should and shouldn't. What is the meaning of should? The meaning of should is deberías. Deberías. Should means deberías. What, for example, you should wear a helmet. Tú deberías usar un casco. You should wear a helmet. Okay? Another, shouldn't. Shouldn't. The meaning of shouldn't is no deberías. Shouldn't. For example, you shouldn't watch too much TV. Okay? You shouldn't watch too much TV. No deberías ver mucha televisión. You shouldn't watch too much TV. Okay, now continue. One more. Okay, look at this picture, student. Imagine that this is Lima City. Imagine that this is Lima City. What is the problem here in Lima City?
La
What is
contaminación.
la contaminación, ok, pero acá hay, en un salón me dijeron, Miss, esta es lava. No, no es lava. Parece lava, pero no es lava. Es muy amarillo, pero no es lava.
Son luces.
Yes. The light, la luz, ¿verdad? The light, la luz. Okay, but it's not the solar light, ¿no? La luz solar. Is an artificial light, ¿no? Una luz artificial, la del foco, la de los carros, la del parque, la de las calles, la de los restaurantes, la del etcétera. Nosotros estando abajo no nos damos cuenta que hay demasiada luz, pero estando arriba, ok, bien arriba te das cuenta de que está muy, muy, muy re iluminado. Y hay algunos lugares donde ya hay demasiada luz casi toda la noche. The question is, what should we do? ¿Qué deberíamos nosotros hacer? What should we do? This is a problem. Okay? For the environment, this is a problem. En este caso, para el medio ambiente es un problema. Gastar mucha energía. Deberíamos ahorrar, ¿verdad? Por eso creo que existe el Día Internacional de que todos debemos de apagar todas las luces de nuestra casa por una horita, la hora del planeta, si no me equivoco se llama. ¿Ok? Entonces, ¿en qué consiste? En prácticamente hacer que la Tierra descanse, ¿no? Ahora, the question here is, what should we do? ¿Qué debemos nosotros hacer? Okay, look at this problem. What should we do? Here I have some recommendations. Turn off the lights. Turn off the lights significa apagar. Turn off es apagar. Turn on, prender. Turn off the lights. Collect rainwater, que es recoger agua de la lluvia. Collect rainwater. Plant a tree. Plantar un arbolito. Plant a tree. Use an e-reader. Ok, usamos un e-reader. Reuse o recycle, puede ser recycle bottles o recycle, I don't know, plastic. Continue. Use solar energy, que es usar la energía solar. Take shower, no baths, que es tomar una ducha en vez de llenar la tina de agua. ¿Ok? Porque se ahorra más agua, ¿correcto? Okay, so here, what is the solution? The recommendation for the people. La recomendación para las personas en este caso, ¿no? Let's start with this. We should, nosotros deberíamos, we should what? What do you think? What is the recommendation? Okay, excellent. We should... Excellent. We should turn off the light. Okay? We should turn off the light. Si cada uno prendiera su foquito de su casa, yo creo que mejoraríamos esto, ¿no? Este problema. We should turn off the light. Obviamente lo apagamos cuando no es necesario, ¿ok? En vez de dejarlo prendido toda la noche, lo apagamos porque ya no lo estamos utilizando. We should turn off the light. Continue with another problem. Okay, the forest. What should we do, okay, to save the forest? Para, no, to save, no, to care the forest. Para cuidar nuestros bosques.
Plant a tree.
Excellent.
A tree.
Yes. The answer is
Plant a tree.
we should
Plant a tree.
plant a
We should
tree.
plant a
Remember,
tree.
we should. Nosotros debemos.
We
¿Por qué Miss
should
should?
plant a
Porque-
tree.
Ajá. Because should, okay, is a recommendation, okay, es una recomendación. We should plant a tree. Y también porque la pregunta nos dice, what should we do? ¿Qué debemos hacer? ¿Ok? Si la pregunta, chicos, la pregunta viene should, what should we do? La respuesta también debe ser con el mismo modal, should. ¿Ok? We should plant a tree. Continue with another problem. Look at this problem. This is the ocean. In the ocean, there are a lot of plastic bottles, a lot of trash, mucha basura. The question is, what should we do?
Recycle. Reuse and recycle.
Very good. Repeat with me, students. Reuse. Reuse. And or recycle. Recycle. Yes. So here the solution is we should recycle. Recycle what? The plastic bottles. Yes. We should recycle the plastic bottles. O entonces reciclamos, nosotros debemos reciclar las botellas de plástico. ¿Por qué? Porque eso va a tener otro fin, va a ser reutilizado en vez de que todos los plásticos desemboquen en el mar. ¿Ok? We should recycle plastic bottles. Continue. Okay, here let's help the environment. Here there is a negative things we don't have to do. Nosotros no debemos de hacer, okay? For example, we shouldn't use a lot of electricity and gas. What do we have to do? We should use wind and solar power. Here, we shouldn't, okay, we shouldn't throw away.
Su cámara la veo, su cámara la veo oscura y le escucho trabado.
Entrecortado, me se le escucha.
Sí,
Se lo escucha entrecortado.
Okay, continue. Okay, we shouldn't throw away. Throw away significa tirar. Throw away all our trash. Toda nuestra basura. We shouldn't throw away all our trash. What is the recommendation? We should, please, any volunteer to read? We should
Recycle.
recycle. Yes, we should recycle paper, glass, and aluminum. Continue with the negative. We shouldn't use a lot of water. No debemos usar mucha agua. We shouldn't use a lot of water. What is the recommendation? We should, students? Okay, you can turn on your microphone.
Shower.
Instead?
Nosotros debemos.
Okay, instead of bath. Okay, we should take shower instead of bath. Debemos tomar duchas en vez de baños, ¿no? Esos baños de tina, ¿no? En las cuales se desperdicia mucha agua. Continue with the negative. The negative is, we shouldn't throw away all toys. Okay, nosotros no debemos de botar los juguetes viejos. We should give all toys to younger children. Debemos de dar los juguetes a niños jóvenes, ¿no? Okay, continue. Okay, this part is not. Let's open our book. Open your book, students, in the page number 58. Open your book in page number 58, students. The workbook page number 58, you have to answer the question. Answer the question and then check with the correct picture, okay? Answer the question, then check with the correct picture. For example, here you have to answer, respondemos. What should we do to save water? What should we do to save water? ¿Ok? ¿Qué debemos hacer? Por si acaso save significa para ahorrar. Save es ahorrar. What should we do to save water? The solution is we should collect rainwater for our yards. Okay, we should collect the rainwater for our yards. Continue with the number 2. The number 2 is what should we do? ¿Qué debemos hacer todos? What should we do to save electricity? Okay, volunteer. Volunteer students, you can turn on your microphone. Turn on your microphone, please.
Miss,
Okay, what is the answer?
we
We
should use solar energy.
Okay, we should use solar energy. Yes, this is a good idea, Christian. Another idea is, otra idea también es, we should turn off the lights. Okay? Okay? We should turn off the lights. What should we do to save electricity? We should turn off the lights or use solar power. Okay? O usar energía solar, ¿no? Solar energy. Okay, continue with the number 3. In the number 3, what should we do, students? What should we do to use less paper? To use less paper. Less paper, less es menos. Paper, papel. What should we do? ¿Qué nosotros debemos hacer?
We should
to use less paper. Can you repeat, please, Joaquin? Can you repeat, please, Joaquin? We should
use an e-reader.
I can hear you. We should
use an e-reader.
Excellent. Very good, Joaquin. We should use e-reader or an e-reader. Excellent, Joaquín. We should use an e-reader. Debemos usar un e-reader. Ahora, esa es solamente una idea, chicos. ¿Ok? Esa es solamente una idea. ¿Ok? Es, bueno, una de las opciones que tenemos. ¿Ok? We should use an e-reader. But another idea is to use or recycle paper. ¿No? Reciclar papel, porque tú sabes que el papel también se recicla. We should recycle paper or reuse paper o reusar el papel. Okay, reuse the paper. Okay, okay, students, continue with the number 4. The number 4, the question is, what should we do to reduce waste? What should we do to reduce waste?
Teacher, ¿puedo participar?
Yes.
¿Puedo participar?
Yes.
We should reuse or recycle.
We should recycle. Excellent. Very good, Sebastián. We should recycle more, ¿no? Reciclar más. We should recycle more. Okay. What should we do to reduce waste? Reduce waste es reducir waste, la basura, ¿no? Para reducir la basura. We should recycle more. Debemos de reciclar más. Continue with the number 5. The number 5 is, what should we do to save forest? Save forest, para cuidar, en este caso, nuestros bosques. What should we do to save forest, students?
Miss, ¿puedo responder yo?
Okay.
¿Puedo responder yo?
Miss, ¿puedo responder
One
yo?
moment, please.
Yo puedo
Okay.
responder.
Okay. Miguel, okay, Miguel,
We
and
should
then
plant a tree.
Sebastián, okay? Miguel. Can you repeat, please? Can you repeat, please, Miguel? What should we do to save forest?
Yes, teacher.
Can you repeat the answer?
We should
We
plant a tree.
Yes, excellent. We should plant a tree or plant trees, okay, in plural. We should plant trees. What should we do to save forests? We should plant trees. Okay, students, in number 1, now let's check the correct picture. We should collect rainwater for our yards. Is the letter B. This is a correct picture. Okay, Matias Lara, for the number 2, what we should turn off the lights. Is the letter A or B? Mati?
The letter A.
Letter A. Okay,
Teacher?
one moment.
Letter A.
Yes, it's the letter A. Thank you so much, Matias. Continue. Number 3. Bejarano, can you read, please, the sentences? We should... Sebastián, we should use...
What number, teacher?
Number 3.
We should use
E-readers. Is letter A or B?
B.
Is the letter B. Yes.
Letter B.
Is the letter B. Thank you. Continue. Number 4. Paulita, can you read, please, the advice in number 4? We should.
The letter A, miss.
Okay. Read, please. We should recycle. Okay. We should recycle more is the letter A. Thank you so much, Paola. Continue with number 5. Cielo Cañari. Read, please. We should. Cielito Cañari.
We should plant trees.
Okay. Is letter A or letter B? Cielito?
The letter B.
Yes, it's the letter B. This is the correct picture. Okay, students.
B.
Excellent. Now let's continue with the next activity. Okay. In the next activity, you have to, is the activity number 8, the same page, is the page number 58. Here you have to choose, okay, oh no, complete the question. Okay, here you have to complete the question. One moment. Complete the question and choose the correct option. Complete the question and choose the correct option. Okay. For example, in number 1, what should we do to save energy? The answer is we should use solar energy because it's talking about energy. Está hablando de la energía, ¿verdad? We should use solar energy. Continue with the number 2. The number 2. Any volunteer for number 2? Okay. Come on, students. 4 points. Okay, Matías Rojas Chuquija. The number 2. What is the question in number 2, Mati?
We should take showers, not baths.
Okay, excellent. And what is the question? The question, what? Okay.
What? We should take showers, not baths.
Okay, okay. The question is, here the question is, what should we do to save water? What should we do to save water? And the answer is we should take shower, no baths. Excellent, Matías. Ángel Serrano, what is the
Miss, pero
question?
mi respuesta está bien.
Yes, your answer is correct. Okay, continue with Lara. Lara,
What
number
should
3?
we do?
Okay, Lara the number 4,
Miss.
okay? Lara number 4,
Miss
Ángel
Ángel.
Serrano. Ángel Serrano number 3 and Lara number 4. Ángel number 3?
¿Me escucha?
Yes. What?
¿Me escucha?
Yes, Ángel.
What should we do to save paper? We should write on both sides.
Excellent, Ángel. What should we do to use less paper? What should we do to use less paper? And the answer is we should write on both sides. We should write on both sides. ¿No? Nosotros deberíamos escribir por los dos lados. Okay, continue with number 4. Lara, do you want to participate, Lara? Yes or no? In number 4.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, what is the question?
Okay. The number 4. What should we do to reduce waste? Esa es la pregunta.
Excellent.
La
This is the
respuesta
question.
sería, we
The
should
answer.
reduce and recycle.
Okay, very good, Lara. We should reuse and recycle.
La respuesta sería, we should reuse and recycle.
Yes, very good. Recycle. What should we do to reduce waste?
Teacher,
We should
¿puede
reuse
ser
and
5?
recycle. Yes,
Teacher, ¿puede ser number 5?
yes, number 5. Who is the number 5? Who's number
Teacher,
5?
¿puede ser number 5?
Okay, Cindy, Cindy.
¿Yo puedo ser number 5?
No, Cindy, Miguelito ya pidió
La
participación.
respuesta sería,
No,
we should
Cindy, stop. First the question, Cindy, okay? Question,
yes,
what?
teacher, sí, teacher.
The question, Cindy, what should
What should
we do Cindy, what should we do?
to save
Gas.
La respuesta sería la B. We should use less hot water.
Okay, very good, Cindy. We should use less hot water. Okay, this is the answer. Yes, it's correct. Okay. Okay, students. Now, let's continue here. Here you have to write the question. Just a question, okay? Just a question, solo la pregunta. For example, ayúdense de las actividades anteriores, chicos. De las actividades de aquí, ¿ok? Ayúdense de estas actividades anteriores porque aquí están las preguntas similares, ¿ok? Ok. This is a worksheet. Es una hojita de trabajo por si acaso. Acá debe aparecer number 1. No sé por qué acá está apareciendo number 2. Se ha movido, creo. Here is the number 1. This is number 1, ¿ok? Okay, number 1. Read and write the questions. You have to read and write the questions. The question number 1 is, what should we do to save electricity? Repeat, what should we do to save electricity? Okay. ¿Qué deberíamos hacer para, en este caso, ahorrar electricidad? What should we do to save electricity? And then you are going to see the answer. The answer is we should turn off the lights and computer at night. Right? We should turn off the light and computer at night. Continue with the number 2. The question in the number 2, you have to use the word reduce. Reduce, usamos la palabra reduce, okay? In the number 3, use the word save, save. Number 4, the word use, use. And in number 5, the word save, okay? Please help you, ayúdate por favor con las actividades anteriores, ¿ya? Con las actividades anteriores, ahí vas a poder apoyar ustedes, se van a poder, aquí están las preguntas, questions, questions. Here you have to write the correct question, okay? Write the question. In number 2, the question, okay? Okay, write the correct question, okay? Ok, mientras que ustedes van haciendo esta actividad, chicos, voy llamando lista.